Hey, what's up, everybody? Anthony Alfredo here. I'm pouring a seat mold for the Xfinity car this year, so I'm going to show you how that is done. It's going to be pretty cool, actually. It's pretty interesting, so I'm going to have someone help film this, but I hope you all enjoy it. It's going to be pretty neat. It's basically a chemical reaction of these liquids that form basically a foam, and you sit in the seat where you want to be, slope-wise with your back and your legs, and it will inflate around you and fill up and actually create a mold so you fit like a glove in the seat, which is exactly what you want when you're racing at speeds over 200 miles an hour. All right, everybody, so I just got home from the shop. I hope you enjoyed that. We got some really cool footage of the seat mold being poured. You could kind of see how that whole process works, and it's pretty awesome because you make any seat, custom to your fit, obviously, and not only is it important to make it more comfortable while you're racing for an extensive amount of times, but more importantly, it's a safety thing. It makes you that much safer in the car, God forbid something happens. So basically what else happens is you peel the rest of the plastic off of it and fine tune it by sanding some parts down and stuff like that. And mostly what happens is you sit in the shop and it feels great, and then when you go and race it, you feel a lot of imperfections you didn't notice sitting there just because of all the different forces acting on your body and so on. But it feels great. So now that it's kind of done up and we figured out where it's at with the pedal and got the steering wheel moved to where I like it, we can send it out so BCSI can cover it with the proper fireproof material, and then it's ready to go in the race car when I go race. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. That's been it. If you liked it, then hit the like button. Don't forget to comment what you thought about it, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll talk to you all later. Bye.